So guys, we have another package here and nakabili tayo from Umidigi. And guys, this one probably is a very much needed improvement. Well, ba't ko nga ba nasabi yun? Tara, buksan natin. Guys, check out this cool add-on I found. Nowadays, we are using the web browser more than ever before, but sometimes it's not the best experience, right? I remember one time I had so many tabs open, I tried to respond to a question from a subscriber, and the computer was so slow that I had to close the web browser for the computer to get out of misery. Then I realized that my trade with Shiba Inu is also closed and I didn't sell on time, so I lost a bunch of money that I could have prevented. This is where this cool add-on I found, tab management, comes to play. I just used it a couple of days ago, and what it actually does is detect which tab I use the most, and it protects them from closing accidentally by promoting this pop-up that prevents the closure of the tab while all done automatically for me. It even let me lock them with a passcode so only I can access them. And also it detects which tab I don't use and close them for me to free memory usage and speed up the web browser. I wish I had a tab management installed when I was trading Shiba. Now my computer is more productive and using the web browser is better than ever. Available on Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Try it for 14 days free or use this coupon to sign up for the premium for 50% off today. Details in the description box below. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So we have here the Umidigi A11 Pro. And yes, na-unbox ko na siya and masabi ko sa inyo guys, its phone is really nice. It's really looking like iPhone. Wanna check it out? Medyo familiar. Mas matangkad lang siya ng konti, pero all the sidings, very familiar. Guys, halos magkamukha sila guys. No? And I'm not sure why nila medyo kinapi ang design nitong iPhone, no? Na medyo flat ang likod, medyo ganun din ang kanto. Almost the same. Sabi ko sila guys, halos parang kinopya, no? And I'm not sure why, but definitely for me, refreshing nga talaga to for Umidigi, no? At ko nasabi na nagkaroon siya ng much needed upgrade, no, dito sa phone na ito, no. It's not really too much on the design category, but more on the sa kanyang chipset, no. It has this one, the Umidigi A11 Pro Max, has the MediaTek Helio G80. And alam naman natin, G80 is a very much game-centric na chipset, no? Which is very enticing sa mga gamers out there. And it also has a 6.8 screen na ultra-wide display. Kaya pansin mo medyo mahaba siya, no? Hindi siya karaniwan. Definitely, it's a magandang view mo when you're playing some games out there like Call of Duty, Mobile Legends. I'm sure this one can really give you the best, no, na quality when it comes to gaming. Not siguro the best like yung mga flagship, but of course, pagdating sa mid-range, okay nito. Now, speaking of gaming, no, nilaro natin ang Call of Duty dito sa phone na ito, and I was able to enjoy. Ito mga settings na nabigay sa atin, no, and the gameplay is really nice. Smooth naman siya. Not as smooth as yung mga Snapdragon 888 na chipset or yung Dimensity 1200 na chipset, but for me, it's already good. If medyo feel nyo hindi ganun ka responsive, you can always go a little bit down lower ng settings, no, graphic settings, para medyo ma-enjoy nyo smoother, no. Pero overall for me, meron ako na-feel mga frame drops, hindi natin maiwasan, no, kasi hindi naman to talagang premium na chip to begin with. But for me, at this price point, no, to be able to play a game na gano'n ka-decent is already good enough for me. Now guys, itong design na to, no, is really nice. I can see that ang likod niya is a matte glass finish. Ang gilid niya is metal frames. And harap niya is, I'm not quite sure kung anong glass siya, no? Or Corning Gorilla Glass or just a regular glass. So wala nabasa sa official website nila. But I'm sure naman kahit paano, medyo scratch resistant naman siya. Now, given na ganun ka-wide ang kanyang screen, nanood tayo ng ilang videos na dito sa YouTube, and I was able to enjoy naman. Ang laki ng view niya. It's really nice. I was medyo naaliw ako dito sa screen size niya, no? To be able to watch some really nice videos here. is really enjoyable. Given na it's a 1080p display, definitely sa price point na to, manalo. So guys, I was able to take in some very decent shots naman dito, no? Not really the best, but masasabi ko so very decent, no? Outdoors, indoors, selfies. Check nyo guys. From its 48MP na main sensor, 16MP ultra-wide lens, 5MP macro lens, and of course, sa harap, 24MP selfie shooter. Kung hindi pa kayo nakontento, meron pa siya isang mata. Infrared thermometer. Pocket size. So, pag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang battery. 5,150 mAh ang kanyang battery. Medyo malaki. Mabagal ang charging. 10 watts nga lang. Though Type-C naman siya. Sana they bump it up a little bit. Kahit 20 watts. Grabe. Nag-charge ako from 19% to 100, no? Using yung default cable, default charger niya. Ang tagal, grabe. Inantok ako. Napunta ko lang 3 hours. Ganun. Pero kahit matagal mag-charge, sabi ko sa guys, sobrang kunat ng battery nito. Guys, yun nyo. Screen on time, kulang 16 hours. Ayos, diba? Panalo. Guys, masasabi ko sa inyo guys, sobrang sulit tong phone na ito, no? Ang Umidigi A11 Pro Max. Kulang mga nasa 7,000 or 7,000 plus ang phone na ito. And guys, I'll post it on the link below sa Shopee nila or sa Lazada nila. And guys, definitely, it's a good deal. Pag umabot kayo ng mga 11-11, 12-12, I'm sure meron pa mga special deal para sa phone na ito. And guys, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video nito, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa aking channel. So, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?